Okay, so let's look at argue, arise, and associate with, to be known with. So argue, when people don't get along, and they don't get along. She argues with her sisters. Yes. She wants to argue with me. I did not argue with her. I think they are arguing. I think they're arguing. Can't quite tell. It was a loud argument. It was a loud argument. So arise. When something becomes apparent, something known. So new opportunities will arise. New adventures will arise. Yes, become apparent to me. Oh, I can go there, do this, go there. Yeah. Yeah. The new challenge, another challenge will arise. Arose, you could say arose. It arose from the ashes. Yeah, it came from the ashes. Latin past tense. Not arised. Would you arised? Arose. Okay. Arised. It arose. Okay. She or it. They will. They think it should arise from here. They think it should arise from here. Makes sense. And associate. Associate. To be part of something. Associate. He will associate with the investors. I don't want to associate with him. Oh, no thank you. No thank you. She thinks that an association with them is silly. Oh, it's just silly. This association was founded in 1900. It is very old. Yes, very old. This group, this arrangement. So they will argue about when the association arose and came into existence. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.